Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9, fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his.
Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda. Number 9 large.
Malo prije sam rekla i rekla sama Musa prije. Sve kako mi to. Ja sam ja načelno nakon rekao, mama, molim te Pinga kući. Molim te Pinga kući. Ja mislim da je uvijek.
Who told you to stop?
No. Okay, so you know about the cheerleader effect, right?
Und wir sind seinem Willen verpflichtet. Das sind doch alles hohle Phrasen. Wir müssen jetzt handeln. Sonst haben wir jede Chance verspielt.
He must construct additional pylons. He must construct additional.
When I was king, I played it hard and fast, tried everything. I walked
when it would end. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah. And I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know won't even stand, that ever stands to be my soul. Why we're chilling, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it, why the feel for the need to replace me. Just a long way trying to be good. I would have been a feature town where we could be at, like a heart in the best way shit. You can give it away, you have, and you take the bait, but I keep walking on, keep moving the door, keep open the floor, till the door is yours, keep also home, cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm finding hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't fall back. I'm just a call, not to face the black. I'm begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, to put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging you, to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you, to put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out.
I mi sološ bile do 2 uša, 2:15 išli. On je 15 minuta video, onda smo mi ostali, Džena mora preko Haloba, pa vidiš ti ovi došli do sobe. Pa narod trebaš pokazati volju i doktoru, rekao mama, da ima familiju, da ima porodicu, da ima sve. Rekao, i zato sam ja uzeti stan, zato sam potrebi i zato što sam vidio učinone. I da kada smo vidio da su to napravili, ti još neke stvari, ja sam možda rekao, stane mi nedopovodno. Rekao, da su ženski, ne sam bi vas noćio u zubima, da je se to desilo. Mogu sam im poslati da se i otac su ostajali duže. Nisu prije. Prije nisu, nema šanse. Sad došli s njima i ostajali duže. A sad evo poruku. Pravo suđe, ne znam šta nije radio dok je bila bolesna. Pravo suđe, pravo večer. Ja. Vodio radio.